Ever wonder who's silently dropped off your follower list? Managing your Instagram by knowing who unfollowed you can give you a clearer picture of your engagement. First things first, if you're looking to get a quick overview, you'll likely need a third-party app. Search your app store for Instagram follower tracker or who unfollowed me on Instagram. Once you find a well-viewed app, download and install it. Open the app and you'll usually be prompted to log in with your Instagram credentials. Be sure to use a reputable app to protect your account security. After logging in, the app will typically analyze your follower list and identify accounts that have recently unfollowed you. This list will usually display the usernames of those who are no longer following you. Some apps offer additional features like seeing who you've unfollowed or who isn't following you back. If you prefer not to use third-party apps, the manual method involves a bit more work but is always an option. Go to your own Instagram profile and tap on your follower count. Then, you'll need to manually scroll through and compare your current list against a list you might have saved previously or by checking individual profiles. This method is time-consuming, especially for accounts with many followers, but gives you complete control and avoids app permissions. Understanding your follower dynamics helps you tailor your content and engagement strategies, ultimately making your Instagram experience more effective.